Hello and welcome, Buhle Betfu, to yet another exciting episode of Buhle Betfu. My name is Nelly Somakanya. We bring you nothing but the best. We are continuing traveling the land, exploring the land of Eswatini. Today we are here at Mlawula Nature Reserve to have an adventurous experience. Actually, this is my first time camping experience right here in the bushes. As you can see behind me, the tents, all the lights, it's getting amazing right here. We are going to have a wonderful time, talk about bonfire experience. We are having a wonderful walk in the morning. I'm just excited, and we are going to bring everything to you to see what is it that you can do when you get to this place. I hope you'll be excited as I am to see what all this was all about. Let's go. Hello. It's a wonderful morning for me, to all the viewers of Buhle Betfu. I have just woken up from this awesome tent right here. I don't know why I'm saying awesome, because this experience has been something different. It's just different, unique. It's been amazing. We slept very well, though I slept at 2 a.m. because we just seated at the bonfire. It's a wonderful experience. It is something that you must have. It's been just awesome here. People being lively, being vibey. There's just been a lot of wonderful things happening here. We slept very well. My very first experience in a tent. Now I'm just trying to prepare myself. I'm gonna go take a shower so that we can go for the Kubega cave experience, cave walk experience. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. I'm sure you'll be excited to see as you follow us through as we do that. Let's go. Buhle Betfu, we are about to start off with our walk on the Kabane Cave Explorer Walk. People are excited about this. People are ready. As you can see all up behind me, we are ready for this. We are doing 10 kilometers here. It's going to be an amazing and exciting time. I hope you'll be following us through as we show you exactly how it shall go. Let's go. Buhle Betfu, we are now on top of the cave. Actually, right inside the cave. We just want to do interviews and find out what people's experiences are as they are up here. Babe unjanse.
I am Peter Gakud.
All right, can you please tell us more about the experience that you have just had? Ungathini nje ngale ndlalo tiva ngayo nyalo na konke lo sekwendekile ukuze sifike la.
Tiva fresh. Phinda futhi ibhicene kugcinwa. But I'm very very happy.
Nah, that's awesome. Ungathini nje mhlambe kulababukela ke ekhaya about the experience here ungabakhuthaza uthini? Is it exciting? What can you say about the experience?
Ngabakhuthaza ukuthi nabo bayithathe le chance. Nami bengathambisa into ufika lapha athi ngifikile. But benginekwesaba kepha ngifikile. So nabo I'm encouraging them ukuthi abas try.
And right now, let us hear from our sister. Please introduce yourself, what your name is, your surname is, and tell us about your experience up here.
Okay, igama lami ngithabile ngwamkhabela. Kufika lana it was tough, I must say. Beku challenging, but then ngifikile and I'm kind of refreshed and I enjoyed it a lot.
Do you think you'd be able to do this again? Awukase wawe endleleni. What can you say about that experience, especially up there lapho esinyuka khona kabuhlungu?
Okay, yeah, I'd do this again anytime, any day. I'd love to. It was a bit challenging. I'm asthmatic, so nasifika lapha ngibe nenkinga kancane. I had to slow down, relax, drink some water, and then go on again.
All right, that's awesome. I think loko kuyasita nakulabanye maybe that have a condition that you also have to understand ukuthi bangadilungisela kanjani coming here. All right, so yini nje locabanga ukuthi unga-encourage ngayo babukeli emuva ekhaya ukuthi mhlambe nabo one day if they want to come here, what can you say to them?
Okay, I'd say that you should take the chance. Ungevange bamva ukuthi kulukhuni. Fine kulukhuni kancane. Kancane but nasofikile uba refreshed, uba light, uba happy and yeah, it's exciting Shem. Nibo good guys if you get the chance.
Welcome back in Buhle Betfu. We're still high up here in the caves. We just want to hear more about the history of the place. What is it that is so special and interesting about this place?
Libito lami ngihlobisile ngakaSikhosana CEO waseSwati National Trust Commission. We are here at Mlawula Nature Reserve, Kabane Cave to be specific. Kabane Cave is one of the several caves that are found in the Lubombo escarpment. The history of the cave goes back to about 14 to 16,000 years before the present time, which is before 1959. Artifacts that were excavated here by archaeologists show that this place used to be a place which was used by the Sens, which is the people that used to gather and hunt a lot. They never had homesteads, they were living a nomadic life. So this place was a place which they will use for shelter. And also due to the elevation, it was also used as a viewpoint to see and to spot the enemy from afar.
Oh, wow, that's really informative. So how many groups have you been able to bring up to this place and what have they been saying about the place as Beta Latud?
Well, this is a very particular place. We haven't had so many groups, but we've had several very small groups. We have taken the diplomatic corps community of the country up here, and we have also taken several groups from the US and also some groups from Europe that have been exploring, specifically exploring the cave. And that is when we got much of the history that dates back. But again, there is also some history that is related to the Mfetane area, whereby this area was also used by the Ngwanes of that time, running away from the enemy.
All right, that's really interesting and informative. So what can you say to encourage our viewers back at home about exploring these caves, the adventure, all about it, and how is it that they can prepare themselves? What is so special about that?
Well, it's a very challenging hike up here. It's very slippery. So if you come here, you have conquered the trail. It's not a trail that is commonly used, so it still have those challenges. So we will plead with viewers at home to make sure if you come here, you wear the right hiking shoes. It's very, very important. And also, we will say we are marketing this place. We want more people to come to explore. There are a myriad of caves. We have about 7 of them around this escarpment. This is the biggest, but there are others that are much more interesting. We also have what you call a waterfall cave, where you will see a waterfall coming directly from a cave. It's quite a spectacular place, and viewers can come and also explore on their own.
All right, that's awesome. Maybe my last question would be, as we are mentioning, any future prospects that you'd like to highlight to the members of the public and also inviting them to take part on those?
Yes, we have quite a lot of events lined up for different areas around this place. We also have late white paintings somewhere in this area. So we will soon be introducing a hike to the late white paintings, where you will witness paintings from Bushman's time. So it's quite a lot of a packed agenda lined up that we are going to be revealing as time goes by. We will also have a very small mini car hike that will go to the waterfall cave, and people should be ready to explore Mlawula, and Mlawula has more to offer.
Right now, I'm here with my sister here. She's going to introduce herself and tell us more about her experience up here in the cave.
Okay, I am Snagegere Kumetse from Stegi. So it's been so exciting. Actually, it's the second time I've been here.
Oh, really? That's amazing. Okay.
So the first time I didn't reach this far.
Okay.
Not in some way. Yeah, but yeah, it's been nice. It's been hectic though, but it's so refreshing. The landscape is beautiful, so it's nice.
All right.
Yeah.
So finally, you have achieved what you failed to achieve last time.
Yeah.
All right. What could you say the challenge was last time, and how were you able to overcome it this time around?
Okay, last time we were a small group. So, when you're a small group, there's not much motivation. So we just decided, no, guys, we're not going up there. I think only 2 came this far.
Okay.
The rest of us just went back. So, yeah, I think this time it's because we're a big group. So when you hear people shouting up here, then you start becoming excited and want to, to reach the...
All right, that's awesome. So what can you say to encourage other people that might be watching this just about the place? What is it that they can find here? What can you encourage them and say?
It's nice. It's got history. They've been teaching us there a little bit of history about this place. So really, it's so interesting to know that we have such beautiful artifacts up here. Yeah, it's interesting.
All right, that's awesome, Buhle Betfu. You can hear it for yourself. We are still going to hear from more other people about their experience here. It's exciting, it's lively, it's adventurous. There's a sister right next to me right now. I'm sure she also wants to say something about a wonderful experience. Can you please tell us what your name is, your surname, and also your experience up here?
My name is Katwa Kumete. I'm from FNB. I'm so excited. I didn't know that I can climb this mountain and come straight to the cave. I'm so happy.
Nah, that's amazing. Ngicela usishele ke khona bunzima mhlambe lodibene nabo mhlambe usanyuka. How was it ukuchazela umbukele ekhaya?
Along the way ngibene difficulties. Yeah, khona la ngilobese ngihamba ngetandla khona. Bekumadima kakhulu but nje yeah, I'm so happy ukuthi ngifikile shem.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Bailey. It was pretty interesting, but I will say that it was steep. The climb was really steep. So it made it a bit challenging, but we made it. That's all that matters.
All right, that's awesome. What can you say to encourage maybe other people that might be watching this about exploring the land, having these adventurous experiences?
I would say that just get out there and explore, because you never know what good things you might find.
It is amazing. It is awesome. We are still up here. We are about to hear from one of the hosts of this event. This man has been taking good care of us up here and also down there where we were camping. Let's hear from him. Sir, can you please introduce yourself, what your name is, surname, and tell us about this wonderful experience that you have up here.
All right, my name is Sibusiso Magongo, Juluka Hiking Club Eswatini. We are working with a ENTC with this hike, Kabane Cave Explorer. It has been a good success. I mean, for us, I mean, we really have seen numbers grown. I mean, we're above 700, which was quite a good number for a first time. So we are really doing it good. We'd like to thank Maswati for coming up in numbers, even though it was on a short notice. But then we're looking at the dates that we don't want to compete with other events. So the only time that we had to get was this time. So now we're going to be going down to Spiso Camp, where we're going to do aerobics for 1 hour. And then after that, we're going to be doing tug of war. I hope you're ready, because I'm going to pull you out.
I'm obviously ready for that. I'm obviously ready.
Well, game on, brother.
Buhle Betfu, we are still here at Mlawula Nature Reserve enjoying ourselves. As you can see behind me, the aerobic session is already in session. People are enjoying themselves voka after coming from a long walk. There's still more that we're bringing to you right from this place. Stay tuned as we take a short break.
Namuhla siyajabula ukuthi silapha eMlawula besiku walk lapho sithi voca khona sakhuphuka inzaba sawufika lapho kuthiwa ngise Kabane Cave khona lona ngumgedze lomuhle lonemlando lothi kadzeni bebaye babhace kuphi labona babhacela labo labafuna kusihlasela futhi ke uyawubona lokho lo mgedze unemlando lomuhle kepha ngaphandle nje kwalomgedze lebe sikwenda besenta lokho ukuthi sihambe sikhusicance lena ndzaba nasicanca kumqoka lokho ngoba silwa nempilo. Uma impilo utawungena emotweni uphume emotweni uhlale eoffice akude lapho uya khona kugula kuyaphela ngalokuqanqa nje indzaba nekwenda njani. Kwesibili ke sakha lele sithi ngema products ngoba lele sikufunako la sifuna ukuthi sivakashi lesibuya ngaphandle sigcine sihlale emalanga lamathathu kuya kulamane noma lasihlanu. So uyabona nje kusina sesifike ngala sesitawahlala emalanga lamabili sesiyahlala ke kumbabane ezulwini corridor sesihlala la ngolamabili lamanye lokusho ukuthi liyaphela liviki solo lo muntu lakithi kangwane nekwokuthi ke nawubuka indzaba lethi njengaleti tisho ukuthi sesingawakhe emafilimu siwakhe ngemlando yakithi lekhona nyalo nje kunananga emafilimu lesiwabona kubo South Africa lachamukako afaka tindvo letala kangwana afake tindvo takuphi kuphi lokusho ukuthi sinawe mathuba ekuthi nanathi kukhona lesingakhangisa ngako kube kuhle eveni kube kuhle nasemaveni si lapha ke eMlawula kunengelo lokutholakala nasingabuka nje uMlawula indzawo lenetinyoni tuhlobo tetinyoni letendlula leko 300 titholakala la kunebantu labaye bathandze nje kuso asesitobona tinyoni asesitobona imvelo kunetihlahla letehlukene lo ngeke utithole kuletindzawo so siyabona nje lokuthi likusasala la awulitaba lihle kakhulu lo msebenzi lo njengalo kwanyalo sawuqale waba mncane kodwa na ungabuka nje sekukhona nalabachamuka ngaphandle laba beyingcenye yalo msebenzi bachamuka boMozambique bokuphi kuphi lokho kuyakhombisa ukuthi nasiyicala lento ngoba ifuna icale njengenhlasi eminyakeni lotako hawu yabe seyinkulu kakhulu ngoba sekuyawatiwa nje ukuthi oh na ufuna ukuthi uyotitshukutunta elongjanyeni elubonjeni nayo indzawo yakhona na uya eshiselweni kunamahamba goji kahoho kunabo maloloja kunabo bani banyana nakulele sikufunako lokuthi lama products abe manengi noma ukahoho noma useshiselweni noma uselubonjeni lokho ke kutawenda kokuthi labantu bangaphandle bagcine badingana kodwa kufuna kuqale thina njenganamhlanje kuqale thina mina sengiyicanca kwesibili lapha lenzawo awu ulala nje vele ulala umnanzi neliviki lonke ube solo umnanzi umtimba solo ukahle Buhle Betfu usukela nje kuleli viki letako abuyithanze lendzawo ngoba inebuhle phinze kuyaphola la akufanani nje nale madolobheni pholile kunengi nalo lokubonako senibonile nje necave senibonile nalendzawo futhi ke kusatawakhiwa lamanye ama products ngoba le ingcenye lesithi Big 5 la lapho sibuyisa khona Mlawula Hlane Mbuluzi sithi akabe ingcenye yini lapha ke sesibheke ukuthi abantu sebatawakha tindlwana tabo lesithi ngema lodges sifuna 3 stars 4 stars 5 stars abe la siphinze sikhuthata labanye betoma bosoma business uthi la indzawo lengaba yinhle yekokuthi batonda bo team building sithi njawo abete bembabana abete bakamazini abete beshiselo na indzawo yengcebele
Mbukeli wa Buhle Betfu, it's been an exciting, a wonderful and an adventurous time on Buhle Betfu, most especially on this wonderful episode that we've had. We've enjoyed ourselves here. It's been amazing all the way from Laskale Corner up until now where we are. I'm sure by now you are encouraged, you are inspired to actually visit the land, travel Eswatini. You will continue following us on all our social media platforms, our Facebook, our YouTube. Make sure that you talk to us there. We'll talk to you. We want to know about these amazing places that we have in the land. Until next week, same time, same place, signing out. Goodbye.